What is up guys, it's Tool Guy Y here, and today we're going to be changing out the taillight assembly on a 2017 Jeep Renegade. Let's get to it. For this video we're going to be changing out the circuit board, but you can use this info to change out the assembly or a bulb. First things first, to remove the assembly you need to open your trunk. Once the trunk is open, make your way to this access panel right here. This access panel is actually very easy to remove. All you have to do is push that tab in and pull it out. Once it's removed, we can look in and see the retaining bolt. There is only one bolt holding it in place and it's very easy to take off. It should be hand loosened and you could just remove it by hand, or if it's seized and stuck you can also use a 10mm socket or a flathead screwdriver. It is a little long, so just take your time and pull it out. Here's what the bolt looks like. As mentioned before, there is a 10mm hex on it and a slot for a flathead. Once the one fastener is removed, now we can remove the tail lamp. Firmly grip the tail lamp and pull towards you. Unplug the one connector. Next, if you guys are changing out a bulb or you're moving a circuit board or whatnot, there's 4 Phillips screws holding it in place. If you want to be technical about it, it should be a P2. I would recommend just doing this in the trunk because with the carpet in the back, there's less chance of you scratching the lens. Once that's done, firmly grip the circuit board and pull up. From here, you guys should be able to change out whatever bulb you want. For installation, just install in reverse order. Make sure that you reinstall the 4 screws, then put the taillight in and plug it in, then fasten it down and secure it down with that one fastener. Congrats guys, you now know how to remove the tail lamp assembly on a Jeep Renegade. If you liked or found this video informative, please support me by smashing that like button and subscribing to my channel for more how-to and tool review videos. Also check me out on Instagram at ToolGuyY where I post daily. Thank you guys again for watching and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Shoots!